was late. Hello. Big news in my life. I'm a new dad. I just had our first kid with my wife. Yeah, thanks. That is the common reaction. It's very sweet. I don't know why we clap for new dads, though. It's like, oh, it's a miracle. No, it's not. I just left it in at the end. That's all I did. We are older parents. I'm 39. She's 37. We had to wait to have kids because she has feminism. And don't worry. Like, here's where I'm at in life is I had to ask her permission to do that joke. She was like, that's fine. I'm obviously very Southern. You guys could tell that by everything about me. And there was all this pressure to, like, move back home. We had this kid like, when are you guys going to move back home? When are you guys going to move back home? What's next in your life? When are you going to grow up? When are you going to move back home? I was like, I don't know. When are you guys going to die and leave me this house? When are you going to do that? Let's talk about the future, you know? Everyone was asking us, what we were going to have. We waited to discover the gender when he was born. We wanted to be surprised, you know? People were like, well, what do you want? You want a little boy? You want a little girl? You want a little boy? You want a little girl? You want a little boy? You want a little girl? We wanted a good person, you know? So we wanted a girl. And look, obviously there's good men in the world. I just think it's harder to make one as a dad. Like, you've all met shitty women. Most of them, they have one thing in common. Their dads didn't love them. That's literally all you got to do as a dad. You'll make a wonderful person. You guys have known shitty dudes. The problem was their dad loved them too much. And I'm trying to figure out, I'm trying to be a good dad, and I want my son to be strong, powerful, independent, but also sweet, open, loving, sensitive. But I have the tools. I have. Do you understand? I don't know if you guys grew up in the South in the 90s as a white guy. It was fun, but you didn't learn a lot of those skills. You know what I mean? I can shoot a bird out of the air and then kick a frog across the pond. Fuck yeah, I can do that. But, like, talk about my feelings? Nah, I'm not good at it, dog. But I want him to be a good man. But I'm going to have to I'm going to have to bully him into being a good person. What, are you afraid to share your feelings, you little bitch? Is that what it is? Oh, somebody don't want the world to see his heart because he's a pussy. I wish we had a girl. I think the main reason we waited to have kids, and a lot of millennials feel this way, I think the main reason really is climate change. We're scared, dude. You guys believe in global warming? Yeah. That's wild. Y'all live in L.A. You guys see the hat? You hear the accent? You know where I'm from? A lot of people there, they don't believe in it. They think y'all are so fucking dumb. They do, because you guys are like, we believe in climate change. And I'm like, I don't know. I think everyone's in denial, even out here in California. And they're like, no, we're not in denial. People where you're from are in denial, hillbilly. I would win this argument, but I got to put a down payment on a house I built on the fault line in the middle of a desert 2 miles from the ocean. I'll see you later. We're all in denial, especially y'all. Because if you believe in climate change, what happens when it really gets bad? What's coming? A war for resources. Who's going to win it? My people. You guys are so fucked. When the water wars come, do you know how rad my people are going to look, dude? We got guns, trucks, boats. We all got jet skis. Every cousin I have has a jet ski. What do liberals from California got? You guys know how to knit? You're so fucked, dude. We can survive in the woods off oat milk. That's cute. You're going to have to move inland, and my papa's going to shoot your ass. He'll be able to see you through his scope because you dared your hair purple. You didn't think it through, Tristan. Man, and I'm one of y'all. You may not believe it so far with this set, but I'm very progressive. I moved out here. I'm all about it, and I'm with you guys. I am. I'm marching. I'm recycling. I'm writing my senators. I'm doing all of that right until the very end. And then I'm fucking switching teams, you guys. I'm going to jump on my uncle's boat, down a Coors Light, turn up the Kid Rock. I'll be like, shoot that one, Uncle Terry. It looks like a vegan. We're making room for a baby on that boat. Thank you, guys. Good night.